If you want something a little more interesting than a solid outline around an element, you can apply a custom gradient directly to a border in Canva. Gradient borders work on shapes, photos, and videos, and they're a simple way to add depth without overwhelming your design. First, let's look at adding a gradient border on a shape. Start by adding a shape to your design. With the shape selected, turn on the border style option in the floating toolbar and increase the border width until it's the width you'd like. Then you'll choose the border color option, then click on the plus sign under document colors and switch from the solid tab to the gradient tab. From here, you can choose your colors by clicking each gradient stop, and if you'd like a more blended or multicolor effect, you can add additional color stops. Once your colors are set, click through Canva's preset gradient styles and choose the linear or circular option that gives you the look you want for the border. You can use the same approach with photos and videos. Select the photo or video in your design, turn on the border style option in the floating toolbar, and increase the border width. Then click the border color picker, click the plus sign under document colors, and switch to the gradient tab. Choose your colors and a gradient style. As with all gradients in Canva, you're working within the available preset styles and customizing the colors rather than creating a completely new gradient type. A gradient border is a small detail, but on the right design, it's the difference between an element that sits flat on the page and one that actually draws the eye.